Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity TV box that doesn't turn on, power supply, HDMI and input troubleshooting. Causes: the box won't turn on due to a loose or faulty power adapter, a dead wall outlet, an incorrect TV input channel, or dead remote batteries. Fixes is unplug and reseat the power and HDMI cables, bypass power strips to plug directly into the wall and switch the TV to the correct HDMI source. Alternative, if the device remains unresponsive, replace the remote batteries, use the physical power button on the box, or trigger a system refresh via the Xfinity app. Step 1. Troubleshoot the power supply. Look for any status light on the front panel of the cable box. Then unplug the power cable from the back of the box and the wall outlet. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in firmly. Then plug a different device like a lamp into the same outlet to ensure the outlet has power. After that, plug the Xfinity power adapter directly into the wall to rule out a faulty power strip. Step 2. Fix the video signal and input settings. First, verify the TV input. Press the input or source button on your TV remote, not the Xfinity remote, and cycle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. until you see a picture. Next, reseat the HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the back of the TV and the Xfinity box, then plug it back in tightly. After that, change HDMI ports. Move the cable to a different HDMI port on the back of your TV. Now test a new cable. Swap out the correct HDMI cable with a spare one to rule out any internal wire break. Step 3. Check the Xfinity remote control. Press the all power button on the Xfinity remote. If the red or green light at the top of the remote does not flash, the batteries are dead. Next, press the physical power button directly on the front or top of the Xfinity box itself. If it turns on, you just need to replace your remote batteries. Step 4. Perform a system refresh. Via the app, open the Xfinity app, from there select services and then go to TV, then tap on troubleshoot and click on system refresh. Via account, log into your Xfinity online account, then navigate to the television equipment tab and select reset device. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.